Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the theme for your widget in the Widgetsmith application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just click on the default widget settings button. And then click on the theme button. And then just choose your preferred theme. Those who have like a black star next to it are available only for premium subscribers, so just click on those that don't have that sign, and then just click on back, and then your widget theme is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.